Welcome back to the channel. My name is Francis. Introducing the latest addition to the Instax family, the Instax Mini99, an analog instant camera designed to be your perfect companion in capturing unique moments. This camera combines a classic aesthetic with modern features, making it a versatile tool for creative instant photography. First, let's have a look at what comes in the box. Alright, so first we can see that the camera is nicely wrapped. Now let's take it out. Wow, the design of the camera really hits home for me. Underneath we can find the user quick start guide, then we have the shoulder strap and USB-C charging cable, then the base grip with tripod mount accessory, then we can find the charger as well as the battery. Alright, now let's put the battery in and let's put some Instax Mini film in it. And then why not use the new Instax Mini Photo Slide Instant Film? Alright, the design of the Instax Mini99 boasts intuitive controls featuring dials that allows you to easily change settings on the fly. With a specific vignette switch, a Q20 tripod mount, and a classic look, the camera is not only functional, but also very good looking. To enhance your photographic experience, the camera offers 6 color effects, giving you the flexibility to add a personal touch to your shots. You can choose between faded green, warm tone, light blue, soft magenta, sepia, and light leak by twisting the color effects dial. This is a completely new analog experience, so let me explain how it works. When you open the back door of the camera, you can see that there are 4 lights that light up. When you take a photo with the Instax Mini99, the 4 lights will light up depending on which color effect you're on, and exposes that color's light to your Instax Mini Instant Film. That's how the color effect on the final prints are created. So it's not like a digital effect, but it's using actual light. Now let me show you a couple of my Instax photo prints with the various color effects. You can also take control of the exposure with the brightness dial to adjust the image's brightness, ensuring that your final images will reflect your desired mood and the look you're trying to achieve. There's a manual vignette mode. By using this switch here, you can add a vignette to your unique print. Now let's dive into the various shooting modes tailored to meet your needs. We use the mode button to toggle between the shooting modes. The indoor mode lets you optimize your shooting for lower light scenarios, while the sports mode increases the shutter speed to freeze fast-paced action. Double exposure mode lets you combine 2 images into one. Now have a go at it and experience this fun way of shooting. The bulb mode allows for long exposures, perfect for playing around with light painting. You can of course combine these with the camera's color effects, brightness controls, and manual vignette features. Convenience is at your fingertip with the self-timer button, ensuring that you can be part of your own photos. The flash button provides options for auto flash, fill and flash, red eye removal, or no flash at all, catering to your specific shooting preferences. The Instax Mini99 instant camera also offers 3 focus modes to suit different scenarios. Landscape mode focuses from 3 meters and beyond. Normal or portrait mode covers distances from 0.6 meters to 3 meters, and macro mode allows you to hone in subjects from 0.3 meters to 0.6 meters. When using macro mode, the viewfinder will shift like this and make an adjustment to the best setting based on the photos you are taking. Included with the Instax Mini99 is the base grip with tripod mount, for use in adding stability and versatility to your shooting experience. The grip can be used to hold your camera with more stability. You can also attach it to a separately purchased tripod, and by doing so you can easily open the back door of your camera once all the Instax Mini Instant Film exposures have been taken to install a new film pack. Now to recap, the Instax Mini99 is a perfect blend of form and functions, offering a premium design, intuitive controls, and a range of features to cater to your creative needs. It's the ideal companion for capturing and preserving those special moments in a unique and personalized way. Oh, by the way, an optional molded camera case is also available for the Instax Mini99 for those who want to carry their camera in style. Now, I hope you enjoyed this first look at the brand new Instax Mini99 instant camera. If you'd like to know more about this and other Fujifilm products, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And until next time, c'était Francis pour les Fujigas.